Hi, my name is Anna, and today we're learning 80 essential English phrases for everyday life. Hi, my name is Anna, and today we're learning 80 essential English phrases for everyday life. Good morning. Good morning. What time is it? What time is it? I need to get up. I need to get up. Let's take a shower. Let's take a shower. Where's my toothbrush? Where's my toothbrush? I'm getting dressed. I'm getting dressed. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? It looks cold outside. It looks cold outside. I'll wear a jumper and jeans. I'll wear a jumper and jeans. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's make some breakfast. Let's make some breakfast. I want toast and tea. I want toast and tea. Do we have any eggs? Do we have any eggs? Let's check the fridge. Let's check the fridge. Oh no, no milk. Oh no, no milk. I'll go to the shop. I'll go to the shop. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? I can't find my bag. I can't find my bag. It's not in the bedroom. It's not in the bedroom. It's not in the kitchen. It's not in the kitchen. Oh, here it is, under the table. Oh, here it is, under the table. Now I can go. Now I can go. Let's take the bus. Let's take the bus. One ticket, please. One ticket, please. Does this bus go to the center? Does this bus go to the center? Excuse me, what stop is next? Excuse me, what stop is next? Now I'm in the city. Now I'm in the city. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. How much is this? How much is this? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Do you have it in blue? Do you have it in blue? I'll take it. I'll take it. Now let's go to the supermarket. Now let's go to the supermarket. Where's the milk? Where's the milk?
It's in aisle 4. It's in aisle 4.
I also need bread, cheese, and bananas. I also need bread, cheese, and bananas. That's all, let's pay. That's all, let's pay. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? On my way home, I see a friend. On my way home, I see a friend. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Do you want to have a coffee? Do you want to have a coffee?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. One cappuccino, please. One cappuccino, please. No sugar, thank you. No sugar, thank you. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Time to go home. Time to go home. What a day. What a day. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'll make some pasta for dinner. I'll make some pasta for dinner. Then I'll watch a film. Then I'll watch a film. Now it's bedtime. Now it's bedtime. Good night. Good night.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.